Understanding Kangaroo Brown, exploring unique phrases in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. In this video, we'll dive into the interesting world of English phrases, specifically focusing on the phrase, Kangaroo Brown. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about it. So, let's hop into the learning journey. Kangaroo Brown is not a common or standard phrase in English. In fact, you might find that it's not listed in typical dictionaries or phrasebooks. This makes it a unique and intriguing topic for our discussion today. The phrase could be interpreted in a few ways, depending on the context it is used in. It could be a color description, likening something to the brown color of a kangaroo, or it might be used in a more metaphorical sense. 2.1 as a color description. When used to describe a color, kangaroo brown might refer to a specific shade of brown, similar to the fur of a kangaroo. This usage could be common in fashion, design, or art. 2.2 Metaphorical usage. In a metaphorical sense, kangaroo brown could symbolize something unique or specific to Australia, where kangaroos are native. It might also imply agility, strength, or nature, drawing parallels to the characteristics of a kangaroo. Let's look at some example sentences to understand how you might use this phrase. 1. Describing color. The new leather sofa has a rich kangaroo brown color that complements the room. 2. Metaphorical use. Her kangaroo brown approach to challenges shows her resilience and adaptability. To add more context, here are some fun facts about kangaroos. Kangaroos are native to Australia and are known for their powerful hind legs and large tails. They are a national symbol of Australia, appearing on the country's coat of arms. Kangaroos have a unique way of moving, hopping, which is efficient for covering large distances. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, Kangaroo Brown. Although it's not a standard English phrase, it offers a great opportunity to think creatively about language and context. I hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.